All right, Hunter writes, just got my 2GP on Friday. The sides of the skis are both faded. What product can bring them back? They're brand new and they're Yamaha GPs. Are you talking the paint or are you talking the plastic? Paint is paint, and it's automotive grade paint. You can go to AutoZone and get any Meguiar's, any Mothers, any Turtle Wax, and polish it up, and it'll gleam because it's automotive grade paint. I think it's a PPG paint, if I'm not mistaken. But if you are saying the plastics are faded, you shouldn't have accepted those skis. And we told you in previous videos not to accept anything less than perfect showroom. You have a buyer has right of refusal. You accepted them, you put them on your trailer, you drove away, and now you've noticed that they're inferior. Those, yeah. And for those who are curious, if you are buying a new Watercraft, look it over and be obnoxious about it. Be a Karen. Be an absolute pill. Because you're spending a lot of money. It's a lot of money. And for you to take your ski home and see that plastics are scratched, decals are crooked or wrinkled, seats have tears or split seams, any of these things that happen, you do not accept it. You do not put it on your trailer. You do not drive away with it. So it doesn't matter. Hunter, he continues. They were delivered from 10 hours away. Here in Canada, we don't have many options. You have right of refusal. Now, thankfully, that's just road grind. That's just road grind. So just detail the paint. Just go through and detail the paint. All right. Meguiar's has a very good cleaner wax. It's in a maroon bottle. It's a cleaning wax. It has a very, very, very mild silicate abrasive. All right. It's a silicone abrasive in it. And that will it will do a very good job of taking a lot of that impurities out of the paint. And then it will leave, I believe it's a Carnauba. I don't believe it's a synthetic. I think it is a Carnauba wax with a mild abrasive in it, polishing abrasive. You're going to think, oh, it's a rubbing compound. It's not a rubbing compound. All right. The cleaner wax, and it's like $24 at like O'Reilly's. So, or any chain store. You can go to Walmart, for goodness sakes. Does Canada have Menards? Might have it there. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.